it's Discount Diva here, just with another Dollar Tree haul because it's just so many wonderful things out there to purchase that I cannot resist. If this is your first time passing by my channel, thank you for passing by, and if you are returning, welcome back. And I'm gonna dive right in. This Dollar Tree haul I'm gonna call holiday last minute items. So I know everyone's been hauling this red truck. I am obsessed with this decoration. I have decorated this year with the red truck, but I was able to find the mug with the matching plate. So we're gonna have this ready for Santa, where we're gonna put cookies and milk for him. And this is awesome. Look at that. It says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas," and it's the red truck. How adorable is that? With the matching plate. I mean, for $1, it's just shaking my head in a good way. So because I started with the holiday items, guys, these peppermint candy cups. How cute is this? Ooh. This is great. I was speaking to the lady at the Dollar Tree and she said, put a little brandy and take a shot. I'm like, So for all my coquito lovers, it's like an eggnog. You put a little coquito in here and you take a shot and you're ready to start the holidays. So I picked up 2 for hubby and myself. And this may have been like the 10th time I bought these, but I have a few left for my little ones because they love their hot chocolate, hot cocoa with the stirring chocolate spoons. These are so delicious. They just, they just melt right into your hot chocolate, coffee, and it's like you have delicious chocolate. So good. So these are edible chocolate spoons. I love these. I'm telling you, I bought at least 10. When I see these, I pick up a few. So moving along with chocolate, I just picked these up because we like to make some more. So I just picked up the 5-pack. This was by the register. And this is the one with the almonds. So I figured if we do some more, have something extra. And this is the milk chocolate with almonds, 5-pack. So I picked up 2. I also picked these up, which I've never seen these, and these are so delicious. I tried these already. They're delicious. We had it with some antipasta. And these are olive and oregano by Greta. And it's 4.23 ounces. And it's 4 servings for 1 pack. Delicious. Just alone, if you want to just add some cheese, if you want to do cheese and crackers, delicious with the olive oil and oregano. Delicious. All right, moving along. What else did I pick up? Oh, I picked up, to make little treat bags, I picked up these season greetings bags with the little red truck. And these are 15 treat bags. It says Season's Greetings. Oh, I picked these up to put, whatever. For the holidays, this is a nice little neat thing. And, going with the red truck. I had seen this and I didn't pick them up and I couldn't find them anymore, but I was able to find these. A little hand washcloth for the bathroom. And this says Holiday Greetings again with the red truck. So this should be like a red truck theme. And then I picked up a tablecloth. I figured this is adorable because it has the gingerbread man with the hot chocolate, and it says "Have a cup of cheer." Just, just to put over the table. And we were running out of dishwashing pods. So I picked up the Cascade Platinum. I love these. I just picked up 2 packages of it. It comes 4. And these are wonderful. Okay. And what else? Oh, Depends. How great of a deal is this? You get 2 packs for $1, and I already tried these. These are really nice. This is ultra low cut, and it has a little gel tab at the bottom of the heel, and it comes with the teal and the neon. So you get 2 for $1. And then these I just picked up because on the weekends or when the girls are outside, I can never seem to find my gloves. So I said to myself, let me just pick these up because they're a nice neon color and it's so soft. And this is by Snuggadoo, and they feel really soft. So I picked this up. I picked up a jar because a lot of times when we make like just like a leftover, like yesterday we did something with coleslaw and I wanted to put it in like a glass. And I said, let me just pick one up. So this is a nice little glass jar for $1. Can't beat it. And I found one of these spray disinfectants. It says it's like a similar to Lysol, and you can't be too extra with finding Lysol sprays, especially now. And let me see if it has. Okay. It says it kills 99.9% of germs, sanitizing in 20 seconds. And this is a country rain scent. So it's like I guess it's like a dupe for Lysol. So I picked one can up. And then just plates because our sink gets crazy with the amount of dishes we're always piling up with snacks and midnight snacks and just snacks all the time. So like, let me just pick up 2 packages of plates because who wants to keep doing dishes, right? Am I right? And then I just picked up the smaller ones of the 40 count. So I think I went over everything. Yeah, I think I went over everything. I'm excited to try these peppermint cups. Edible. What does it say? Sweet and fun to eat. Put a nice little shot of something. Yummy. I can't wait. So, I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves. Thanks for watching. Till next time, Discount Diva.